Hi guys, it's Jess from Hygge Yoga. Thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. Today we're going to be putting together a delightful snack that is both nutritious and scrumptious. That's really easy to put together. It's 3 simple ingredients and you can keep it in your fridge for healthy snacking all day long. Okay, so for our chia seed pudding, you just need 3 ingredients. First, you'll need some milk. You can use any kind of milk. I particularly love nut milk, so this is almond milk, but you can use coconut milk, oat milk, regular milk, whatever your preference is. And the second ingredient you're going to need is good old-fashioned chia seeds. The next and last ingredient you'll need is a sweetener. I love using maple syrup, but you can also use honey, dates, any sweetener of your choice. I'm going to be doing half a cup of milk. So I'm doing this in 2 separate little mason jars. So I already put 1/4 a cup of milk in 1 mason jar, and here we go, the other 1/4 in the second one. Then I take my chia seeds here, and remember it's 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So again, since I'm separating mine in 2 different cups, I do 1 tablespoon in the first cup and 1 tablespoon in the second cup. And finally, last ingredient that we are using today is our sweetener. And for the sweetener, I typically just do a little drizzle, but if you want to be more specific, you can absolutely measure it out. So here we go, just a little drizzle in cup number 1, a little drizzle in cup number 2, and then we simply take a utensil and we stir our little chia seeds around. Stir, stir, stir. You'll see that the chia seeds like to sink to the bottom, so you might have to do this a few times. And the magical thing about this is you simply pop it in the refrigerator for, I would say, about an hour, and the chia pudding is completely set. So this is what it is going to be looking like, friends, before it is set. After about an hour, you just pop that chia pudding out of your refrigerator and you have this wonderful, delightful little cup of chia seed pudding. And what I love about this is you can actually eat it just as it is, or you can pile your favorite toppings on the top, such as berries, dried coconut, some seeds, some nuts, some bananas, whatever strikes your fancy, and it is a nutritious and delicious little meal. So guys, thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. Again, this is Jess from Hygge Yoga. I hope you have a wonderful week and we'll see you back here next week. Bye.